Imagine getting stronger, faster, and healthier without any gym, without any machines, and without spending money on equipment. Yes, just using your own body. Sounds cool, right? Stay with me because today, I will show you 6 amazing exercises that can change your body in just 3 weeks. Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about how you can build muscle and feel strong using only your body weight. No dumbbells, no gym, just you and your determination. I will explain everything in very simple words, so even a 10-year-old can understand and follow along. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what to do to become stronger and healthier. Let us start with the first exercise, and it is a very famous one called push-ups. Push-ups are great because they work many muscles at the same time. When you do a push-up, your chest muscles work, your shoulders work, your arms work, and even your tummy muscles help to keep your body straight. That means one simple move is helping your whole upper body become strong. To do a push-up, place your hands on the floor under your shoulders, stretch your legs back, and keep your body straight like a wooden plank. Now slowly bend your arms and lower your chest toward the floor. Then push yourself back up. If this feels too hard, do not worry. You can put your knees on the floor to make it easier. That is perfectly okay. Everyone starts somewhere. If you get stronger, you can try harder push-ups, like narrow hand push-ups, or even clapping push-ups, but only when you are ready. Push-ups also help you stand straight and improve your posture, so you do not look slouched. Just remember to breathe, go slow, and keep your body straight. Now, let us move to the second exercise, which is squats. Squats are amazing for your legs and hips. When you squat, you are working your thighs, your back legs, and your bottom muscles. These muscles help you walk, run, jump, and climb stairs. So making them strong is very important. To do a squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, keep your chest up, and your back straight. Now bend your knees and push your hips back like you are sitting on an invisible chair. Go down until your thighs are almost parallel to the ground, then push through your heels and stand back up. Squats also help your balance and make your joints stronger. If you want to make squats more fun, you can try holding the squat for a few seconds or jumping up when you stand. But remember, always land softly and carefully to protect your knees. The third exercise is called mountain climbers, and this one is fun and fast. Mountain climbers make your heart beat faster and work your tummy muscles, arms, and legs all at the same time. It is like running, but on the floor. Start in a push-up position with your hands on the floor and your body straight. Now, bring one knee toward your chest, then quickly switch and bring the other knee forward. Keep changing legs like you are climbing a mountain. Try to go at a steady speed. The faster you move, the more tired you will feel. But that is good because your body is getting stronger. Mountain climbers are great for burning energy and making your stomach muscles strong. They also help your balance and coordination. Next, we have jumping jacks. You might already know this one. Jumping jacks are simple but very powerful. They help your heart, your arms, your legs, and your whole body. To do a jumping jack, stand straight, then jump, and spread your legs wide while lifting your arms above your head, then jump back to the starting position. Keep repeating this movement. Jumping jacks make your heart strong and help you breathe better. They also make your shoulders and arms stronger. Try to land softly on your feet so you do not hurt your joints. You can start slow and then go faster when you feel comfortable. This exercise is great because you can do it anywhere, even in your room. Now let us talk about lunges. Lunges are wonderful for making your legs strong and balanced. They also help your hips become flexible. To do a lunge, stand straight and take a big step forward with one leg. Bend both knees and lower your back knee toward the ground. Then push through your front foot and return to standing. Now switch legs and do the same thing. Lunges help each leg work separately, so both sides become equally strong. This is very helpful for walking, running, and playing sports. Try to keep your chest up and move slowly and carefully. If you want to make lunges more interesting, you can walk forward with each lunge instead of staying in one place. Now we come to the last and most powerful exercise, which is called high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. Do not worry about the big name. It is very simple. HIIT means doing an exercise very fast and strong for a short time, then resting for a short time, and then doing it again. For example, you can do jumping squats for 30 seconds, then rest for 10 seconds, then do push-ups for 30 seconds, and rest again. You repeat this pattern a few times. HIIT is special because it makes your body burn energy even after you stop exercising. That means your body keeps working even when you are resting. This helps you build muscle and lose fat at the same time. You can mix different exercises like burpees, mountain climbers, and jumping jacks to make your own HIIT workout. Just remember to give your best effort during the work time and rest properly when it is time to rest. Now let me tell you how you can use these 6 exercises in a simple weekly plan. You can exercise 5 days a week and rest for 2 days. On some days, you focus on strength, and on other days, you focus on fast exercises. On strength days, you can do push-ups, squats, and lunges. Try to do 3 sets of each exercise. For example, do 10 to 15 push-ups, rest, and repeat 3 times. Do 15 to 20 squats, rest, and repeat. Do lunges, 10 on each leg, rest, and repeat. Move slowly, and focus on good form. On fast days, you can do mountain climbers and jumping jacks. Do them for 30 seconds each, then rest for 20 seconds, and repeat 4 times. This will make your heart strong and help you feel energetic. On your rest days, you should still move your body gently. You can stretch, do yoga, or take a walk. This helps your muscles recover and grow stronger. Remember, rest is just as important as exercise because that is when your body repairs itself. Now let me give you some friendly advice. Always listen to your body. If something hurts in a bad way, stop and rest. Feeling tired is normal, but sharp pain is not. Drink plenty of water, eat healthy food, and sleep well. Your body needs fuel to grow strong. Try to eat fruits, vegetables, rice, eggs, milk, and other healthy foods. If you stay consistent and follow this simple routine, you will start to feel stronger in just a few weeks. You may notice that you can do more push-ups, your legs feel powerful, and you have more energy to play and study. That is a big win. Remember, you do not need a gym to be healthy. Your body is your best tool. Start small. Be patient. And enjoy the process. Every time you exercise, you are becoming a better version of yourself. So today, promise yourself that you will try these 6 exercises, even if you start with just a few minutes. That is okay. The most important thing is to start. Stay active, stay happy, and keep moving forward. You are stronger than you think.